Hello everyone and welcome to CView Tech Tips. Today we'll be having a look at OneDrive. So, OneDrive is an online storage solution provided by Microsoft. So, at CView High School, every student and teacher gets access to 1,000 gig of online storage through Microsoft. So as you can see, here is my OneDrive folder. So, I can access things online, so open them up, have a look at photos, view Word documents, even edit them. But it doesn't sync with my computer yet. So let's set that up. So I'm starting on the desktop here. So if I press my Windows button down here and start typing OneDrive, as you can see here, it appears. So click on that. This thing that just popped up is the OneDrive setup window. This only happens the first time you set up OneDrive. So, we will let that chug away. So, OneDrive has finally installed. So, let's go ahead and click on the little cloud. Now, this menu should pop up. So, for the first time, it will say sign in. So, let's press that. Now, we'll type in our school provided email address with the @schools.sa.edu.au and press sign in. We will need to now select work or school/university because this is a school provided account. Hooray, we're all done. So as you can see here, OneDrive will now appear in Windows Explorer. And we can now select folders that will sync. If you just go ahead with the default settings, it will create a special OneDrive folder that does it all for you. I recommend this way because it allows you to organize your files better, but if you've already set up a special school folder, you can then select that. And welcome to OneDrive. So let's close that and go into Windows File Explorer. As you can see here, we now have a new OneDrive folder called OneDrive Department for Education. If we click on that, we will see all of the things that are in our OneDrive. So, I'm going to recommend some settings for your OneDrive. So if we open up the little OneDrive icon here, press the three dots and go to Settings. So as you can see here, it shows how much storage we have used. So I have currently used 14.3 gig of 1024 gigabytes in the cloud. And that's my school email address right there. Now if we go to Settings and tick this box here, save space and download files as you need them. This will allow you to get rid of files off your computer but still have them in your OneDrive. This allows you to save a lot of space on your local drive. If we then press OK, we now have all of our files right here. As you can see, there are lots of little icons next to each file and folder. So the tick means that it is available on the device. So if you were to go offline, you could still open this folder and have everything inside of it. With the cloud icons, it means that it's in the cloud, and if you were to open it up, it would then need to download from the internet, and then it would open. And then if we close that, it's got a tick next to it, so it means it's available on the device. Now, if we have a tick next to something that is using up a bit of space, and we want to get rid of it, but still have it in our OneDrive, we can simply right-click on it and press Clear Space. This does not delete the file, it just moves it to the online space. And that will process and turn into the cloud. Let's say if we want to keep this OpenNightMap on our device, always. We just have to tick always keep on this device. It will load and then will be a solid green tick symbolizing that it will always be kept on the device. To get rid of that click, all we have to do is right click it and press Clear Space. If we open up our OneDrive here, we can see all of the things that have recently been synced to our local computer. So all these files are available online, but they're not using up space on my local drive.